InFaucets is a large technical product factory of Faucet in China. It opened in June 1996. We've got a large number of people in our factory here in Taizhou, making a variety of highly technical, skilled, durable products. Almost 20 years ago, made in China had this stigma that was lower quality. In fact, we have a lot of professional polish technicians and many high-tech devices, such as During machine, automatic polish machine, which only we have. Most of people, they don't understand the complexity of the production. For example, polishing is one of the most important procedures in manufacturing. If there's something wrong with the polishing, the surface of the body will become uneven. Skilled operation of the machine can improve the precision of the product. The combination of the manual polishing can make the product more perfect. Each faucet is a handcraft completed by machine and human. This is craftsmanship.